NordPass Tutorial for Beginners, the best free password manager. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on NordPass, how to use NordPass to generate strong password, to securely share passwords with coworkers, and to save your other data. Let's get into it. First of all, you can go to nordpass.com and you will land right here. NordPass is a very famous and a secure solution for passwords, credit cards, and more. We need to create an account on NordPass, so you will get to the website and then you can click on the login option here. Now we can use to access the password, manage the subscriptions, or access business admin panel. So for your personal use, you can just go for access my password and it will take you to create a new account if you do not have any. So you can see welcome to NordPass. We're going to click on create account. We can create an account for free without a credit card using our Google account or email address. So I will just sign out with my Google account. So once you enter your email address, it will ask you to enter a master password that we use. So this is the password that we will use in order to log into our NordPass, and then NordPass will have all of our passwords in one place. So make sure that this one is actually a very secure password that you're creating. After that, we're just going to confirm and log in, and it will take us to our dashboard on NordPass. So you can see this is the software that we have. Let me show you how to use it and how we can create different categories, how we can save our passwords, how we can, save our credit card information and more. So first of all, once you get to the account, you will get these different categories here. We have all items, then we have passwords, credit cards, personal info, shared items, and then we can also create different folders. So this will allow me to keep everything organized, and I can, create different folders for my different passwords. For instance, I have my social media password. So I will create a folder and then I will add the passwords there. Maybe I can create a folder for my work details and add all of the information and documents there. So that's how it works. At the bottom here, we have some of the other tools. We have password generator that we get with the NordPass. We have password health, data breach scanner, and emergency access as well. So these are some of the tools that we can use with NordPass. First of all, let me show you how to save a password. So as a complete beginner, you will also be getting the option here, add NordPass, browser extension. So you can add an extension. So you can add one to your Google Chrome, to your Firefox, Opera, Brave, or Microsoft. So I have Google Chrome. I'm going to go right here and add the extension. So it will take me to my chrome.google.com. Click on add to Chrome, then click on install, and your extension will be installed on your Google Chrome. After that, we can go to the password section here. In password, we have import and add. Click on add password right here. Now we have to give a title to that application or any software that we're saving the password for. For instance, I'm saving this password for facebook.com. So I will select Facebook here, and then we have to enter our email address. So let's say this is the email that I use on my Facebook. And then we have to enter the password that we have for the Facebook. Don't worry, it's a secure platform and it will only allow you to access these passwords, so you don't have to worry about it. Then we have a website address. So this is where you will enter the URL of the website. Because we have facebook.com, it's very simple, but you will enter any kind of website address here. Then we also have the option of custom fields. Click on add field here, and let's say I wanted to add a hidden text into it. So we can enter a field name. For instance, this is actually my security question that I have for Facebook. So I will enter right here the field name. And then what I will do is I will just enter the details right here and they will be added. Then we have other. So in other, we can create a new folder and add this password into a specific folder that we have. And at the end, we can add a note to our, this password, any detail you want to. Click on save and your new password will be saved on NordPass, and it will also ask you to save on your Google, so you can maybe save it or not. So this is how it will look like. You can see we have facebook.com, we have the share option. Now click on share and it will allow you to share it with your team members or your family members. Then we will get this more. Click on more and then we have move to folder, password history, and move to trash. So this is what it looks like. It shows you the password that you have, and it also shows you the how strong your password is. So this one is strong. We're good to go. Now I can move on to the credit cards here. Click on add credit card and you will enter the title. Let's say that I have this credit card. This is actually a MasterCard, or this is my shopping card, any credit card that I have. You will enter your card holder name here. Then we have to enter the card number. Then you will enter the expiration date here, CVV, card PIN, your postal code, and then we have the other which where I can select a folder. Then we can add the note. Click on save and your new credit card information will be saved. Then we have a personal info. So in personal info, it will look a little different. Click on add personal info here so we can enter a title. Let's say this is a personal info for a team member for my work. So I'm just going to go with work here. Contact details. So you will enter a contact that you want to add, email address, phone number, address detail. Let's say this is an info for a person I know. So I will enter all of their detail right here. Click on save and it will be saved right here on NordPass. Then we have shared items. So what is a shared items? Here I will be able to see the items that have been shared with me. Items shared between you and someone else will appear here. If I have a team member or a family member, the shared items, for instance, a credit card, a password, will be shown right here. And how I will be able to add it into the shared section. So you click right here. As I showed you, we have this share. Click on share and another person will be added to your passwords here. This is how it works. Then we also have pass keys. So this one is actually a new option that is available. When you create a passkey with NordPass on a website, it will appear here. And we have secure notes. So even if you want to write something and you want to keep it hidden, you want to keep it private, you can just write any kind of note here. So even you can keep notes within your NordPass, which is actually pretty impressive. A very simple option, yet very useful. Here we have our trash where I'll be able to see anything that I delete. Now let's create a folder. Click on add a new folder, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a folder for, let's say, social media. Click on enter and a new folder will be created. Now I will go to my password. We have our Facebook here. I'm going to click on these three dots. Click on move to folder and select social media. Click on move to folder and now it will have my Facebook details. If I go to my folder now, you can see it has Facebook. Similarly, I can add other social media in passwords. You will get the button at the top here. Click on add password. This time, I'm going to maybe go with Instagram. So I can go with Instagram.com. It also gives you different options. So all of the different website addresses are already, added to NordPass. Instagram.com. I will enter a username here and then a password. Click on save and a new password will be saved in minutes. Now, I'm going to do the same thing. Click on these three dots. Move to folder and select social media. So this is how I will manage all of my different details, my personal info and credit cards as well. It's actually really easy to use and is for free. But there is also a premium available for NordPass. So let me show you the pricing plan. So this is the pricing plan. You can see we can switch to a business or personal and family use. So I'm going to go with personal and family here. We have 1 year plan where we have a free version. Then we have premium for just $2.69 per month. Family for $3.69 per month. You will be saving up to 38% with the family plan here. Then we have a 2-year plan, which will allow me to save more. We have premium for just $2.29 per month and family for $2.79 per month. So this one is family and, personal. So let's switch to the business. That will give me some more options. And here we have business for $3.59 per month. A free trial is available. So it's actually not that expensive. A super, reasonable platform with all of these different features and tools that we can go for. We can also turn on the notifications here. We have settings where I will be able to check all my other details. This is how we use a NordPass. It's a platform that will allow you to save all of your passwords, credit card information, your secure notes, and much more. If you struggle with your passwords, then NordPass is the platform for you. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.